Hello there. My daughter requested a wagon wheel. However, I made it with the Jenga blocks natural color and white rope wrapped around it. And the rest is Dollar Tree. And then my coffee filter flowers. This flower came with the welcome, and I separated them, made this metal flower into the spoke, and then replaced it up here and added some twine. So this is a really cute door wreath for her house. Thanks for stopping in. Subscribe and find the video on how I made the first wagon wheel right here on YouTube. Bless.